Hello, fellow travelers. I'm Lisa from TESEVO, where your comfort is our priority. Are you someone who loves to explore the great outdoors, but hates sacrificing comfort while camping? Let's introducing the TESEVO camping mattress for the Tesla Model 3, your home away from home, a perfect solution for outdoor enthusiasts who demand both ease of use and a good night's rest. Light, compact, and designed to fit perfectly in your Tesla, it sets up in moments, transforming your Tesla into a cozy sanctuary. Crafted from premium quality sponge, this mattress ensures maximum comfort and durability as well as a good night's sleep, no matter where your travels take you.
And when you're ready to hit the road again, with its compact and easy-to-fold design, the mattress folds up neatly and can be stored in the trunk of your Tesla, taking up minimal space. Order yours today and start planning your next adventure.